What's up guys, Sparky Izzy here, and today I'm going to go over Govee's outdoor neon rope light. Alright guys, so I want to start by saying that if you're familiar with the Govee products, Govee already makes a rope light, but it's meant for indoors, and this one's cool because it's meant for outdoors. It's actually IP67 waterproof rated, which means that the adapter that you use to plug in to power the unit is also rated to be outside. And if you look at the product packaging, it shows that these lights can be installed on the ground or around like a pool or maybe like a flower garden. But in my situation, I wanted to put it on the wall where I grill and smoke meat. But I just wanted to make sure that these lights were waterproof rated so that if it does rain and the rain gets on the lights, it doesn't damage it. When you open up the packaging, you will see that it comes with all the ground accessories to mount it around the garden or whatnot. And it also comes with straps that you can use to mount it on the wall or on a fence or something like that. I don't want to do the fence because I personally don't have a power source near the fence, and I didn't want to add a power source, so that's why I went ahead and put it on the wall outside. Before you install any type of lighting, you want to make sure to plug it into power and make sure that it works. Nothing would suck more if you install these lights and you had to take them down just to get them warranted, when you can just make sure that they work before you even start. The material of these lights are very flexible and easy to turn, and the straps are pretty straightforward. You just slip them on for both wall mounted or ground mounted. So I'm going to be transparent with this install. I did not know what design I wanted to do, but I am an electrician, so what appealed to me is maybe having some type of lightning bolt. And I'll tell you what, I tried installing this just free-handed, and that is not a good idea. So I wasted so much time trying to prep it and do it and all that and just think of it in my mind, but I ended up just taking it all off and starting from scratch. And what I did is I used some painter's tape and I marked everything on the wall exactly kind of how I wanted the lightning bolt and everything, and that worked a lot better. Once the lightning bolt was outlined, I had leftover wire, so I just kind of freestyled the rest of it to create like a cool little effect. Once I was done with the design, I took off the lightning bolt again so I can remove all the painter's tape, and I reinstalled it. I really hope you guys find these videos helpful, because anytime I order some lights or I look into an app, I'm always curious on what kind of designs are available. So that's why I try to show you a lot of the designs so that you can know what to expect. If you want to receive an additional discount, make sure to use code SparkyIzzy on the Govee website. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Sparky, Izzy, peace.